Today's lesson is finding compound interest and balance. Compound interest is when interest is added to the principal after a set time period. For example, Eric puts $1,000 in a savings account that earns 5% interest compounded monthly. How much interest will Eric earn in 3 months? How much will he have in all? Let's break it down. Eric puts $1,000 in a savings account that earns 5% interest, compounded monthly. This means the principal or original amount of money is $1,000. If Eric's savings account earns 5% interest, this means we have to find 5% of 1,000. This equation would be 1,000 times 0.05 equals $50. So each month he earns $50 as his interest. Now for the next part. How much interest will Eric earn in 3 months? Since we know that Eric earns $50 each month, we can multiply that by 3 to figure out how much he earns after 3 months. That equation would be 50 times 3. 50 times 3 equals 150. Now that we know he has earned $150, we can finish the problem. How much money will he have in all? This last step is very simple. All you have to do is add $150 to our principal, $1,000. We do this because the $1,000 that Eric started with is still there. We're merely adding on the interest he earned each month. So this last equation would be 1,000 plus 150, and that equals $1,150. So that's it. Don't forget this would be a 2-part problem, so the answers would be Eric earned $150 in interest over 3 months, and Eric has $1,150 in all. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the lesson.